Now in this class, we are going to learn how to use the format editing feature. Okay, so you can copy a particular format from a text and paste it directly into another text. So let me give you an example of what I'm trying to say. So assuming I have this text selected and we have different properties, we can change the formatting, the style, okay, the font style, we change the font style, we change the sizing to maybe 15. This particular selected text, we bold it, we italize it, and even underline it, and then we can change the coloration of the text. Maybe we change it to something like this. Now this text, if I want to transfer the same property, all these changes that I've made to another set of text, I have to do it manually on my own, which I can get some wrong. I can get the color wrong, or I can get the formatting or the text styling or the font styling wrongly. Now this feature is very, very important, and it helps you a lot if you want to transfer a particular format from one text to another. So let's say I have this format. All I need to transfer the same format to this text is I can just select any section of that text that I formatted and come over to this clone formatting. Okay, you can see clone formatting. Once you click on it, you can select the text wherever you want it, and it will transfer the format of this text into that particular text. So let's select here, and you can see with just dragging and releasing, it has taken the format of the previous text that we have. So you can do the same on any text and the format is going to be transferred directly. Assuming we have these ones, and I can just select this. I want this format to be transferred to maybe this word. I can select, come to the clone formatting. Can just go ahead and select any text of my choice, and you can see we just drag and drop. It has transferred the formatting of this text into this text. So this is how easy it is, and you can apply it to anywhere, wherever the text is, whether in a text box or anywhere. You can copy this and you can go to the formatting and you can add it to any text of your choice. So let's select this, and you can see right now it has taken the same format, this text and this is. Okay, so copying or dealing with formattings within text is very, very useful, and it can help you solve a lot of problems during your editing process. So instead of you to have to do manual editing of all the features that you've added to a particular text, you can just go ahead on your own and just use the clone formatting to transfer the different formats that you have within one text to another. So this concludes this class about clone formatting or transferring text properties from one text to another. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.